In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add a contact to Klaviyo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get right into it. First things first, once you're logged into your Klaviyo account, you'll land on the dashboard. From there, look at the left menu where you will find several options. Click on Audience and then select Lists and Segments. This will bring you to a new page that shows all your existing lists and segments. Next, you need to find the group you want to add a contact to. Take a moment to browse through the table and look for your desired list. A quick tip here. Ensure that the type column says List and not Segment. This is crucial because segments are dynamic, which means they automatically update based on particular criteria, and you can't add contacts to them manually. Once you've located your target list, go ahead and click on the list name to open it. When you've opened the list, you'll notice a button in the top right corner labeled Manage List. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Import Contacts. This will open a new import window where you can easily add your contact. Now, here's a neat trick to streamline your process. Instead of the conventional way of uploading a spreadsheet, look towards the bottom of that import window. You'll see a link that says Switch to Copy and Paste CSV. Click that link. This method will simplify things for us, allowing for easy manual entry of contact information. You should now see a large text box on your screen. Here you can type or paste the email address of the contact you want to add. It's vital to double-check for any typos. This is your chance to make sure you've entered the address correctly, because mistakes here can lead to delivery issues later on. Once you've entered the email address, look for the Next button, which should be located on the bottom right of the window. Go ahead and click that. You'll now be taken to a mapping screen. This step is straightforward. You need to confirm that the text you've entered has been recognized as the email field. This is crucial, as it ensures that Klaviyo knows exactly where to place this contact in its system. If everything looks correct, go ahead and hit the Import button. This is your final step, and it will add the contact to your specified list. Congratulations, you've successfully added a contact to Klaviyo manually. And that's all there is to it. You have now learned how to manually add a contact to Klaviyo. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful,